Hello, today we will complete with Module 6, Lesson 3, Part 2, Acids and Bases in the Mixtures. Many solids readily dissolve in water because of water's polarity. Substances that releases hydrogen ion when they are dissolved in water are called acids. Substances that releases hydroxide ions, OH-, when they are dissolved in water are called bases. Look at this reactions here. We have water, and in this water, if there is a releasing for OH- in the lower part, okay, if there is any release for OH- here, like here and here, okay, that's mean it's a basic solution. And if there is any release for hydrogen ion here, that's mean it is a acidic solution. That's amazing. We have something that we can use it to measure the acidity in any solution, which is called pH. Okay, what do you mean by pH? The pH is the amount of hydrogen or hydroxide ion in a solution determines the strength of an acid or a base. So it's a scale. The pH is a scale for the strength of acidity or basicity. So the measure of concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution, we call it pH. What do you mean by pH? If you find any solution that's written on it, pH equal 3 or pH equal 7 or pH equal 9 or 10, what do you mean by that? If you find that the pH is lower than 7, that's mean this solution is acidic solution. While if you find a pH over than 7 or more than 7, that means this solution is a basic solution. So again, we always use specific, we have a specific component or a way to measure the pH, which is minus log 10 to the power something. Again, minus log 10 to the power hydrogen ions. Okay, in this way we can measure the pH. The scale of the pH from 1 to 14. Okay, the scale of the pH from 1 to 14. This is from 1 to 14 or from 0 to 14. From 0 to 7, this is an acidic mixtures or acidic solution. Number 7 means it's a neutral, while at the right side over than 7 or more than 7 till 14, this is a basic. Okay, look at the compounds that we find it here, or solution that you can find it here, and their pH. For the patric acid, they say it's 0, stomach from 1 to 2, mainly 2, lemon juice it's 2, 3 cola, orange juice, vinegar, tomato 4, 5 like bananas, normal rainwater, 6 like healthy lake or urine, 7 like pure water, blood also around 7.2 something, 8 like seawater, baking soda, it's the soda that we use it in house for baking cakes and something like that, it's 9, 10 great salt lake, 11 we have household ammonia, the one that we use it as a bleach, 12 like soapy water, 13 like oven cleaner, and 14 like sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So as we move from 0 to 14, we are increasing in the pH, and from 7 to 14, we are increasing in the basicity, and from 7 to 0, we are increasing in the acidity. While you move to the right side, increasing in the basicity, and while you move to the left side, you are increasing in the acidity. Let's check the quiz or the questions. Which is a substance that produces OH- ions when it is dissolved in water? Is it base, acid, buffer, or salt? What do you think? What will release OH- ions when we dissolve it in water? Is it the acid or base? What do you think? That's amazing. It's the base. Which statement is not true about the pure water? It's not true about the pure water. It has a pH of 7. This is correct. It's the normal pH for the pure water is 7. It is composed of polar molecule. For sure, it's composed of polar molecule because the water is a polar. C, it is composed of ionic bonds. Or C, D, it is good solvent. What do you think? Do you think it's C? That's amazing. It is composed of ionic bonds. It's not an ionic bond, it's covalent one. Let's check a covalent and hydrogen also one. Let's check question number 3. A beaker contains 3 solids, flour, sugar, and baking soda, which describe the content of the beaker. Flour, sugar, and baking soda. Heterogeneous mixture, homogeneous mixture, and solution suspension. Homo, hetero, what do you think? It's a homo or a hetero? It's heterogeneous. That's amazing. Question number 4. Which term describes molecules that have an unequal distribution of charge? Unequal charge distribution. It's known as polar. That's amazing. And that's it. Have a nice day.